Come here.
No, we're taking her to the nurse.
Water or lemonade?
Oh, you're proud of your dad too, aren't you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Today?
It's his birthday.
It's his birthday.
Yeah. I'm very excited. It's his birthday. We're 10 years into it now. Double digits.
You glad to have your dad here? Mm-hmm. Is this an extra special birthday? Mm-hmm. Okay, great. You have with you.
This is my son Axel.
Aww.
This is our number 4.
Number 4. Is your mom in the military?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Are you proud of your mom?
Yes.
I know you. Stop. Don't make me cry. We are so proud. You're glad to be here, aren't you?
I am very glad to be here with them.
This is a special day? How does it feel to be recognized?
Feel good. It's special. I appreciate it very much.
How does it feel to be recognized?
Feels good. Nice to be appreciated.
We thank the school, we thank the community for just giving us that support.